Alright y'all, Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash. It's late night working on some stuff. Want to show you just if you're in the field and something breaks, way to get the job done. So my guys called me the other day and said, hey, the water line, the reason why we lost pressure was because the water line comes all the way back here and it goes right into this right here, to this hose barb. And let's see if we can get a good enough angle without dropping my phone in. But see all the hose down in there? And somewhere in there should be, well, we got two pickup tubes there. We got that pickup tube. Not sure where the other one went. Maybe the guys got it already out of there. But either way, so we normally have go there to the pickup tube. Well, that broke. So I told the guys, hey, you know, what we do have is we usually have a hose barb to mend and a hose clamp and be able to get that to garden hose fitting. Then we took the garden hose fitting and connected that to it. Doesn't matter, because as long as we got male or female, we can hook up some garden hose to it, ran it through there. Now, for any of you that understand the proportioner, the concept too, since it's a suction system, you want to have, you know, if it's 10 feet of line from the bleach tank to the proportioner, you need to have 10 feet of line from the water tank to the proportioner. We didn't do that this time. They were out there, had to get a roof job done, and they were like 45 minutes away. So gave them that idea. They were able to get it done. It was a $1,500 job, so really glad we were able to go ahead and get that done. But obviously it's going to impact the draw on the water. Fortunately, the water is all the way full open. If it was something that, if it was the bleach line, that may have been a bit of an issue. And obviously it wouldn't be ideal to, you know, to put a brass fitting or anything like that into bleach, because obviously that can cause some issues. But if all you're doing is for that one job, get it done. And obviously, yeah, things are dirty in here. We got to clean some stuff up. But again, if you get in that pinch, you should always have garden hose mending things. You're not probably going to have a spare drop or pickup tube. You know, I will show you one other thing that we do have, and I could have told the guys to do, which was, and I think I did actually tell him, but he'd already gotten it taken apart, was, see these two? These two are our bypass ones. And we actually have it so that our bypass goes into the water. Less turbulence, less bubbles, and right there is our outlet of the tank. So again, this is not the most ideal situation, but it is a way to get the job done, keep making money, and be able to get yourself home and fix it when Rob's able to do it later tonight. See ya.